Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Yoga for weight loss. The practice of yoga supports physical, mental, and spiritual development that allows you to create the best version of yourself. Yoga may also be an effective tool to help you lose weight, especially the more active forms of yoga. And you may find that the awareness gained through a gentle, relaxing yoga practice helps you to lose weight as well. Many experts agree that yoga works in different ways to bring about a healthy weight. Yoga and calorie burning. While yoga isn't traditionally considered an aerobic exercise, there are certain types of yoga that are more physical than others. Active, intense styles of yoga help you burn the most calories. This may help prevent weight gain. Ashtanga, Vinyasa, and power yoga are examples of more physical types of yoga. Vinyasa and power yoga are usually offered at hot yoga studios. These types of yoga keep you moving almost constantly, while helps you to burn calories. Practicing yoga may also help you develop muscle tone and improve your metabolism. While restorative yoga isn't an especially physical form of yoga, it still helps in weight loss. One study found that restorative yoga was effective in helping overweight women to lose weight, including abdominal fat. These findings are especially promising for people whose body weight may make more vigorous forms of yoga difficult. A review of studies from 2013 found that yoga is a promising way to help with behavioral change, weight loss, and maintenance by burning calories, heightening mindfulness, and reducing stress. These factors may help you reduce food intake and become aware of effects of overeating. More in-depth, high-quality studies are needed to expand on these findings. How often should you do yoga to lose weight? Practice yoga as often as possible in order to lose weight. You can do a more active, intense practice at least 3 to 5 times per week for at least 1 hour. On the other days, balance out your practice with a more relaxing and gentle class. Hatha, Yin, and restorative yoga classes are great options. If you are a beginner, start slowly and gradually build up your practice. This allows you to build up your strength and flexibility and prevent injuries. If you don't have time for a full class, on certain days, do a self-practice for at least 20 minutes. Allow yourself one full day of reset each week. Combine your yoga practice with activities such as walking, cycling, or swimming for added cardiovascular benefits. As part of your routine, avoid weighing yourself directly after a yoga class, especially if it's a hot yoga class, since you may lose water weight during the class. Instead, weight yourself at the same time each day. Yoga may be intended as a way to calm the mind, but it also is a great way to get in shape and drop some weight. Here are a few postures that can help lower your anxiety and the number of the scale. Hold each posture as long as you can. That may be 15 to 20 seconds at first, but each time you practice, hold the posture for a few seconds longer and make your way up to a minute if you can. Where appropriate, do one side and repeat on the other side. 15 yoga poses for weight loss and also a special bonus pose. First, plank. Holding a plank may be one of the best ways to strengthen your core. It may not look like much, but drop into plank and it won't take long to feel it in your abs. Subtle adjustments can increase the intensity even more. Energetically draw your heels and the top of your head in opposite direction and keep your chest moving forward between your arms. Do this daily for develop rock hard abs. Second, Warrior 2 or Varbhadrasana B. Like a powerful warrior, you too can tone the muscle in your thighs and shoulders with Warrior 2. To get the most out of the posture, try to bend your front knee so your thigh is parallel to the floor. The longer you can hold this position, the tighter your quads will get. The secret is to calm the mind and just breathe. Remind yourself you are a warrior. Now, mighty warrior, switch sides. Third, Warrior Third and Virbhadrasana C. For a more toned butt, Warrior 3 is the way to go. In addition to toning your back end, it's also a great way to strengthen your back, legs and arms. To get even more out of it, contract your abs while you hold the position. Not only will it help your balance, but it can help you flatten your belly too. The longer you can hold Warrior 3, the more your butt will benefit. Fourth, Triangle or Trikonasana. Trikonasana may not make your muscle shape like some other postures, but do it often and your abs will thank you. The twisting motion of Trikonasana helps to improve digestion and reduce fat deposits in the belly. On top of that, by engaging the muscle of your legs, you can build more muscle and burn more fat. Fifth, Downward Dog or Adho Mukha Savasana. Looking for a way to tone your total body with a little extra attention to certain muscle, this asana goes from a resting pose to a radical way to strengthen your arms, back and thighs. To get the most muscle toning benefits, engage your thigh muscles as you rotate them inwards and do the same with your upper arms. Continue to press down through your hands and heels. Hold it and don't forget to breathe. Sixth, Shoulder Stand or Sarvangasana. From improving digestion to therapy for the thyroid and even increasing strength, shoulder stand does it all. This inversion works to balance thyroid level, which boosts metabolism, improve the respiratory system, strengthen the upper body, legs and abs, and also helps you sleep better. Add this to your practice daily and you will feel like a whole new person. 7th, Bridge or Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Bridge pose, great for thyroid, glutes and also for weight loss. This action of reaching your chest towards your chin gently massages the thyroid gland to produce this all-important metabolism regulating hormone. Pressing down with your feet engages your thighs and back end to help tone those muscles too. And if you need one more reason to practice bridge, it also helps stimulate the abdominal organs to keep your digestion happy. 8th, Twisted Chair or Parivarta Utkatasana. Call it yoga's version of a squat but made just a little bit more intense. Parivrita Utkatasana or chair pose works the squats, the glutes and the abs, and that's just the muscle. The twisting also helps the digestive system and the lymph system. Combine all these into one move and you have got a great way to lose weight. 9th, Bow or Dhanurasana. Looking for a way to burn belly fat fast? Bow pose can help. You can get deeper into the pose by pulling your hands and feet in opposite direction until only your abdomen and pelvis are touching the floor. Not only does bow pose helps massage the abdominal organs to improve digestion, but it's also an amazing way to strengthen the thighs, chest and back. 10th, Upward Plank or Purvottanasana. This may seem a bit difficult to crack towards the start, but the results that this asana yield will leave you much gratified. This works extensively on your back, shoulders, arms, spine, wrists and fortifies muscle. It is also great for the respiratory system. It is great for the core strength of the body as it works on your legs, inner thigh muscle as well as hips. 11. Simhasana or the lion pose. This asana is known to tone the facial muscle and is a good stress buster too. It is a basic pose and anyone can do it irrespective of their age. When you sit in the lion pose and stick your tongue out, your facial muscle along with the thorax and spine are stretched. 12th. Seated twist pose or Bharadwajasana. The asana involves a deep twist and it is intermediary level pose that anyone can easily master with practice. It improves the natural flexibility of your upper body, improves digestion and increases shoulders flexibility. 13th. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. This pose requires you to move your shoulder, neck and spine in unison. The intense pose or twist one side at a time helps in toning the sides, the upper body as well as the abdominal muscle. Matsya Asana or fish pose. It is all about stretching your lower body and organs like the thighs, intestines, hips and abdominal muscle. And now it's time for the last and bonus pose, that is Anantasana or Vishnu's couch pose. This pose tones and firms the abdominal muscles. The focus shifts to both the sides of the body while you stretch. This asana improves blood circulation and digestion. If you experience a discomfort or stiffness in the neck or hips, consult your doctor before doing this asana. So thank you guys. If you found this video useful, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel Nutramite and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.